Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you're a new viewer, then go to our channel and watch all these videos, learning videos, live trading videos, advices video, tips, tricks, and all those type of videos you can watch. So if you're liking that type of videos, then you can hit the subscribe button so that whatever videos I upload in the future, you can just go through in 5-10 minutes and add on to your knowledge. So for the ones who wants additional services, you can always WhatsApp us to 7892652481 for additional services or training and all details. For the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, open an account in Zerodha or Upstock through us with our link. Then you'll be added to my secret Telegram channel. So anyways, without wasting time, let's start off with today's live trading video. Hopefully I would save some money by the new year, so that I can go for a trip. So let's see if things gets possible, then I will plan it accordingly. So I just took Intraday again today in the buy direction because I know the market is red. Market has come down already, but if you see Infratel, it's a stock which is leading in the top in terms of bullish side. It has a good intraday movement for the day. So if you see, Nifty is already down. Okay, so it's going down, down and down. After some time, little bit of recovery is what I'm expecting. I don't want it to further fall down. Nifty is already fully down. So a little bit of recovery of Nifty. Okay, little bit of green recovery. During that time, these bullish stocks will get advantage. If you see, iBull also has gone up. Yes, iBull is a gap up little bit, but still the stock kept moving. If you see in the morning, and then it's going a little bit of sideways. Whereas if we see on Infratel, okay, so Infratel also has gone up, and afterwards it is going a bit of sideways. So anyways, what I am waiting for is one more breakout of Infratel. So if you see, the stock has come up, so almost 1 rupee is the target, right? Not even 1 rupee, 25, 75 paisa somewhere is the target. Okay, so almost 90 paisa has gone. So if you consider 80 paisa target also, 279.60 is our target. So stock has already reached those levels. Nifty, if you see, it's still in the down, but yes, it made a low of 72 and it's recovering till 77, 76. A little bit of recovery up in Nifty will definitely support stocks which I am looking in. It's not breaking those levels as of now. 859095. The number of quantities are more. Little bit of strength from the buyer side, it will help to break through. Overall, as of now, 12 lakh numbers are there for buyers, and sellers are 10 lakh. So 80 finally. 80 didn't break. If you see, the high for the day is 283.80. Stock was up from yesterday. If you see, today also it is up, and the upper circuit is 295. I don't know till how long the stock will go up today, but considering today is Friday, I will exit on time. What a jump. Alright, so whatever it is, I'm happy with it. So I bought it at 278.80, sold it at 281 almost. So how much? 280, 281, 2 rupees 20 paisa somewhere, almost close to 0.8, 0.9% target. I have booked on this particular trade. Since the stock may break the high today or may go towards the upper circuit also, but like Friday somewhere I end up doing something wrong, so the psychological effect it is. So I just don't want to take risk on Friday. So Friday, the earlier I get something, I will take and run. All right, so more than enough, because the weekend should not spoil by doing a wrong trade, and you will feel bad for the weekend. So weekend should be good. So hope I was lucky again to get this particular stock. Hope you got an idea how I took an advantage. Nifty was turning up a little bit, so during that time I just took advantage on the bullish stocks which were bullish, right? So small spike also is enough, because 0.3% before that only it happens within certain candles. So you need to be very calculative and very careful while taking such advantage. Now this was a sudden spike and I just took an advantage, exited. Later it can continue or come down also, because if you see whole day it's just going on a green super trend, and I'm not sure when it's gonna hit, because too many investors are there. And if the stock is fundamentally good, investors will come again and again, they'll take it top. But if too many people are booking short term, I think they will start booking their profits, then automatically it will start coming down if it hits super trend little bit. So I don't want to take that small risk also, so I just exited on time. So hope you got an idea how I did that. So thank you so much for watching all the videos till this week. Stay tuned and subscribe to this channel for more learning videos. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.